What? Sometime?
Yeah.
It's
Sometime what?
Yeah. Full Pakistan will be in India.
Yo, he's saying that on 14th of August. Can you imagine this guy saying that?
But yeah, Kashmir is India, right?
Yeah, I mean, there is India and Pakistan, Kashmir, you know. let me do that. Let me do that.
Donated them.
पाकिस्तान
हाँ,
अच्छा
मैं पाकिस्तान से
नहीं आई एम
नेपाल, इंडिया,
किधर इंडिया?
बिहार
बिहार से इंडिया,
लखनऊ.
लखनऊ.
मैं बिहार
ये this guy imposter. No house, adopted.
Adopted by Pakistan.
पाकिस्तान कौन सा जगह
लाहौर से. The prices are actually very reasonable.
वेरी
reasonable. Mountain T-shirt and bag. Shop in Tamil. ये जो लिखा हुआ है इसका hemp का, ये मैं travel कर रहा हूँ तो उसका कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं होगा ना?
नो प्रॉब्लम. एक्चुअली जो है ये जो लोग है ना
हाँ.
TSC फ्री,
हाँ.
तो ये जो है लोग पहले क्या करता था अंग्रेज लोग
हाँ.
जो मतलब बाहर के उन लोग इसको हेम समझ करके पहले उसको पी करके खा जाता था और तो इसीलिए TSC फ्री मतलब यूज कर सकते हैं लेकिन नहीं इसको पीना खाना ये नहीं है. ये सिस्टम हटा दिया गया.
He's like, don't wash it and drink it, okay?
300.
I think I bought these much cheaper in Pakistan. हुंजा में ये मिलते हैं. हुंजा में ये बहुत मिलता है.
हम लोग को बौद्ध
You can find a semi.
हुंजा से? हुंजा से?
नहीं हम सोचे बौद्धा बोल रहे हैं.
नहीं मैं क्या ये अपना हुंजा से मिलता है सब कुछ ये ना. पाकिस्तान में, पाकिस्तान से हूँ.
अच्छा पाकिस्तान से. देखिए इसको हम अगर हम जलाएंगे तो इसको महक, ये तो खास में तो इधर नहीं जलेगा कभी भी नहीं, कितना भी जलेगा ही नहीं पूरा
कॉर्नर. ओके.
इसको खाली महक देखिएगा इसका.
अरे जलता नहीं बस
जलेगा नहीं
सड़ता है.
लेकिन देखिए इसको सुनिए.
Okay, yeah.
लगा ना 100% है कि नहीं?
Yeah, this is leather. This is
मैं
leather.
गलत नहीं दूंगा.
You can smell the leather actually out of it, like you know. What can you get?
Green card, American.
He wants to marry me because he wants to get American green
I
card.
can become astronaut in NASA.
But yeah, NASA, or do you want to drive the truck?
It was amazing.
I'm trying not to call my mom from the market because if I show her, I'm pretty sure she's gonna be like, you know, bring this, bring that, bring this, bring that. Okay, what are we doing? What's the plan?
What's the plan, bro?
Getting lost.
Okay. Then we should eat something, wear shoes, and then get lost.
Let's have like
Spa?
planless day. Planless day. No plan.
Want to buy it? You want to buy it, bro?
It's quite good. Yeah.
Yeah. I thought we were here for 4 days.
I mean, not now or later. How do you recognize the original?
ये बनता किससे है?
बनता नहीं है पेड़ से.
पेड़ से ना,
से,
मतलब पेड़ से, मतलब पेड़ से गिरते हैं तो ये लगता है.
फल होता है, फल गिरता है उसको पानी में रखते हैं, छीलते हैं.
Okay. This looks good. Tiger eye. I have these already. Maybe something like this, or maybe like that, and something for my car. Obviously, put this thing in my car. It'll be nice.
It's cool this one, huh?
It's cool, bro.
How much he said?
It's 1,000.
1,000?
Yeah.
Tourist price.
We found the same price in the super touristic area.
क्वालिटी पूरे ऐसे काट कर बना देते हैं.
How much is that, brother?
ये कितने का है भाई?
ओरिजिनल रेड सैंडल.
क्या?
रेड सैंडल उसका आपका
How much?
I'm still unable to hear. क्या कह रहा है?
सैंडलवुड.
सैंडल?
रेड सैंडलवुड.
नहीं, कितने का है?
3,000.
3,000.
Oh.
And here's the cheaper one, synthetic one.
This is synthetic.
300?
This is synthetic. This is real sandalwood.
What is synthetic, man? Like
Synthetic is like a
Plastic.
fake plastic.
plastic?
Yeah.
Okay, no. I don't know. I was like, what? Synthetic oil?
But what is the material?
Wood. Sandal.
3,000, bro. Why 3,000?
ठीक है?
ये brass का. It's called.
It's too expensive.
ये कितने का है?
रहेगा 15,000 का.
हाँ 5,000 का.
ये तो सस्ते वाला इसमें वो कितने का हाथ वाला है इसका?
पता लगा.
ये वाला 800.
This is synthetic or?
This is all genuine.
How much this is?
This one 1,500.
Okay.
And same here, the synthetic one for breasted 300.
300. Okay.
I think I bought these much cheaper in Pakistan.
Okay.
हुंजा में ये मिलते
Thank
हैं, हुंजा में ये बहुत मिलता है।
हम लोग को बौद्धा में
You can find the same in
Hunza
Turkey
se?
for
हुंजा से?
नहीं हम सोचे बौद्धा बोल रहे हैं
नहीं नहीं, मैं कहा ये अपना हुंजा से मिलता है सब कुछ ये ना, पाकिस्तान में, पाकिस्तान से हूँ।
अच्छा पाकिस्तान से
तो एक मुखी नहीं मिलेगा क्या? कहीं नहीं मिलेगा।
Okay, let's see. They are actually expensive. Pakistan is much cheaper in these things.
in Turkey also you can find the same half.
I think they're like, they know that these are tourists, so
Yeah.
let's see. I'm not gonna buy much things, but some things. What can you get?
Green card, American.
He wants to marry
passport.
me because he wants to get
And then
American green
I
card.
can become astronaut in NASA.
But yeah, NASA, or do you want to drive the truck?
It was amazing.
Oh man,
Oh, this green
we
one
just
is
had
very
food.
Which one?
The green one?
This one.
It's for, oh yeah, I saw the same one. I'm gonna buy this one as well.
But I don't see any Nepali wearing like this clothes.
Bro, because Nepalis, they wear this one on traditions, bro, I think. And these are for not Nepali people, these are for like hippies like us. स्वादिका। नमस्कार भाईजान, कैसे हो? बढ़िया? क्या नाम है आपका?
Prem.
हैं? प्रेम? प्रेम, अदिल। प्रेम, love, his name is Love.
Oh, Prem.
प्रेम,
Prem nahi, Prem.
भीम, अच्छा, sorry, भीम।
So this is hate.
I'm so sorry guys, भीम, it's not प्रेम।
How much this is?
कितने का है? 1200 bro.
Man, that's so expensive.
It's the artwork, bro.
Too expensive.
It's the artwork.
1200.
Huh?
1200 rupees.
Too expensive.
Too expensive. He wants cheap.
This is like no more than 400. I know this.
Guys, don't hate me, okay, for Goktan's stupidity, okay? He's Turkish. He doesn't buy
Bro,
shit easily.
when you travel like in 40 countries,
For the
in
countries.
Africa, in Turkey also, of course, you know how much.
You can see how much he's showing off, right? My boy is like, you know, when you travel to 40 countries, you know how much. That's my boy. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy?
No, that's not funny.
We just want to make sure that we buy one of the magnet. I want to buy a jacket, 2-3 shirts, and that's all.
Yeah, this is the name of the market.
I mean, that's what I saw yesterday, but it was.
Namaskar bhaijan. You broke it. You break it, you buy it. You break it, you buy it, okay?
I saw something similar yesterday, but it's not this. Let's go.
Do we need to walk on that side? Let's just walk on that side, it'll be easier. So many people coming from here. शुक्रिया भाई। I knew he would go to Goktan. I was like, I'm gonna see it. French sector, underground method. I heard this new song. I'm keep on repeating that in my mouth, not mount. Damn, that kurta with the hair. My man is all flexing all here.
शॉल चाहिए?
I'm trying not to call my mom from this city, like from the, what is it called? From the market, because if I show her, I'm pretty sure she's gonna be like, you know, bring this, bring that, bring this, bring that. I mean, it's good. The shit is over here, it's good. No denying in that. So, you know, but I don't have a bag. I'm going with the backpacking right now, so. Told you, girls are beautiful. I don't know if they're Indian or Pakistani. Not Pakistani, okay? Indian or Nepali, but damn, girl. Here he is selling all the things on the road. Fence sector. धन्यवाद भाईजान. ये साथ में है, साथ में है, बाद में करेंगे, आपके पास आएंगे. He's like, come, get a ride. Like later. Right now we are going back to the hostel. We need some sleep. Where's Harshad? Harshad is
I
it?
am two tourists with this.
Yeah, you
I do
too.
two tourists.
Yeah.
Price like a little by 10.
The thing is, if you buy the local ones, they're gonna look more touristic. So it's okay.
I didn't think about this.
Trendsetter.
Okay, we are still here for 2 days. So
Yeah. We gotta find some
we will remember
girlfriends.
our face.
We gotta find some girlfriends.
You won't gonna.
I want to check him. You gotta find me. You gotta find me a girlfriend, bro.
Nepali one.
Nepali. Shuddh Nepali. 40 liters. You want one? You want 40 liters?
What is what?
40 liters bag?
No.
No?
Nice price. Actually.
Let's get some snacks. Some Nepali snacks, if you can find it. Wait, do we have Goktan? Do we have cattle? Do we have cattle?
No.
Dude, this coffee is really good.
Let's buy, man.
We don't have a kettle.
What is that, bro?
The hot water thing. We can just go down.
ask.
Okay, yeah. Let's buy this. It's really good.
Then you can keep it for yourself.
Yeah.
How much is this?
It's like 440.
For
That's like around $3.
This one is good. This one, yeah.
It's good. I mean,
You know it, this one?
Original. Yeah, I know.
Cool. By the way, bro, can you give me cash?
I need also cash because the cash
You
all
have it with you?
I gave yesterday, but I took out. We gave it today.
Ah, you paid for the.
Yeah.
You paid all.
Yeah, because I took out 20,000, so I paid 20,000. Yes, sir. दिल की बातें मेरे में तुमसे कह शुक्रिया मेहरबानी करो.
So what do we do now?
We are just looking for something to eat.
But we just ate.
No, for snacking, you know, in a room.
Bro, we can come back later, no? Actually, I don't need to get.
Okay.
Because the room is here.
Okay.
Let's go.
Bro, you want these?
We are just.
Maybe you want these?
I have.
Astaghfirullah, why do you have? You are not married. This is going in the vlog, okay? Oh, it's like I'm Indian. It's allowed. It's like you Pakistani bitch. It's not allowed for you guys. ये पकड़े?
नहीं, this is very bad.
This is very. देख कभी नहीं खाया इसलिए तो बहुत घटिया है. Okay, when an Indian says that it's not good, it's not good.
Apple mixed bar.
No, I don't like
Energy
apple.
bar.
We're looking. Give me 1 second, bro.
Yeah, I wait.
You have to wait. कुछ ले देते ना मीठा. अरे यार, what Kit Kat, man? I'd rather eat a Bounty than Kit Kat.
Bounty is so bad.
So bad?
Yeah,
That's the best part. It's bad.
I don't like Bounty.
चलो. कौन है वो अनजानी?
Let's go.
चलो फिर. Okay, we're not doing anything. Plan cancelled because of my boy.
I think we just go inside just to look. That's it.
I mean, we're going inside to buy. Hello.
Hello.
धन्यवाद. Any questions? धन्यवाद. Thank you. How do you say? धन्यवाद भाईजान. धन्यवाद. What? Sometime?
Yeah.
It's
Sometime what?
Yeah. Whole Pakistan will be in India.
Yo, he's saying that on 14th of August. Can you imagine this guy saying that?
Kashmir is in India. Okay.
Oh shit.
Brownie or something?
You want something fresh?
No, I don't want it from an expensive shop, bro. I'm a cheap guy. Since I'm traveling with this guy, I'm become cheap, so cheap.
Cheap but good quality.
Good quality cheap. No, this guy on 14th of August is saying that, you know, Pakistan will become soon India.
But yeah, Kashmir is India, right?
Yeah, I mean, there is India and Pakistan Kashmir, you know. let me do that. Let me do
We
that.
donated them also.
You
Donated.
just give it so that they
Yeah,
stop talking.
yeah, they're crying until now. They're crying until now
Most
after
of the
giving.
part with us only.
Yeah.
The one we have is better, you know.
Yeah, because you haven't seen art, no?
we, I don't need to see yours, bro. It's your private part. I don't need to see yours.
You see, they have more things here. And cheaper. To wear jacket.
You don't have anything to wear? Like,
Yeah, he's naked now.
he's naked. If he's naked this good, imagine how good he will look with clothes.
Can we go to that bag shop?
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah. We follow you. It's your day, bro.
Dude, I really want to buy so many of these, but then at the same time, I don't want to because I don't want to spend money.
Where's the bag shop?
I don't know. You were saying it's right over here. Okay, there. Let's go. Namaskar, Bhaijan. How are you? We met you earlier, right?
Yes.
Yeah. You have two shops, okay.
No, I have only this shop.
Oh, you have only this shop. I thought you have two shops.
I'm playing glove. You have this type of thing.
Bro, hemp THC free. Shit, this is made of hemp. Dude, this is made of hemp. I
Really,
want...
from the this.
Yeah. I'm gonna buy this before I leave.
ये
ये कितने का है?
वो पड़ जाएगा आपको 1050 डिस्काउंट कर देंगे
1050 डिस्काउंट कर देंगे मतलब
थोड़ा सा लेस कर देंगे
मतलब 500 में?
वो तो करना पड़ेगा
500?
है कितने का
नहीं
Okay, come here. This guy is selling us for 500. You should come over here.
500. The bag.
हाँ, पाकिस्तान से.
पाकिस्तान
हाँ,
अच्छा
मैं पाकिस्तान से.
नहीं आई एम
नेपाल, इंडिया.
किधर इंडिया
Wait,
बिहार
बिहार से इंडिया.
लखनऊ
लखनऊ.
मैं बिहार
ये this guy imposter.
Imposter
No house.
say.
Adopted.
Adopted by Pakistan से.
पाकिस्तान कौन सा जगह
लाहौर से.
लाहौर
हाँ.
अभी वायरल है अरशद नदीम
अरशद नदीम. ये हुई ना बात.
मेडलिस्ट है ना वो
Today is also the Independence Day. आपको पता है आज पाकिस्तान का Independence Day है.
पता है कल हम लोग का है
अरे कल हम लोग का है. This
चीटर है
is
चीटर
cheater.
You need to buy here. I like this guy.
You like this
I
guy?
feel the good energy.
I am buying that's why I'm
Yes.
भाई ये शर्ट कितने का है?
should I buy this for myself
Yeah, this is good. ये शर्ट कितने का है?
ये 450
It's good actually.
कोई शर्ट दिखा दो आप नेपाल का जो मुझे अच्छा लगे.
टी शर्ट मिल जाएगा
टी शर्ट. हाँ, टी शर्ट. कहाँ पे? यहाँ पे ये?
अभी ये बंदा
Bro, do you think this is good or this is good?
जाने वाला है
Oh. No, that's what. That one is quite cool, man.
ये शर्ट है?
Shirt is same.
भाई ये शर्ट है क्या है? ये शर्ट है?
हाँ
Open से.
रुकिए हम खोल दे रहे
Open से.
हैं ब्लैक ही नहीं
अच्छा.
Okay, I don't know.
nice. ये क्या है? क्या इस पे लिखा क्या हुआ है?
जो flags है
ओ
prayer
मैंने
flags
प्रे फ्लैग्स है ये
What flags?
प्रे फ्लैग
Pray flag.
Tibetan flags
Pray,
होते हैं
How much is it?
450
450 discount.
डिस्काउंट मेरा होलसेल का काम होता है
400
लास्ट 400 तक आएगा वो
400 300 तक होगा.
नहीं,
300.
300,
Okay, 300. 300. We got this for 300. We got this for 300.
400
Okay.
तक आएगा
This is
एक
mine.
गोली खाने
Pakistani Independence Day. And tomorrow Indian Independence Day.
Pakistan Independence Day.
कल ऑफर है मेन कल
कल एक दिन पहले पाकिस्तान का ना. ओके चलो ये मेरा हो गया.
नहीं, ये 300 तक ना आएगा
300
हम
का हो गया.
आपको होलसेल रेट दे रहे हैं 400
थोड़ा सा तो कम करोगे ना. मैं पाकिस्तान से मैं गरीब हूँ.
नहीं वैसे
Let's
देखिए,
choose. We buy more and that.
Yeah, we buy more and then big
How
discount.
much is this one, brother?
650
650. Okay, this is good
Okay, it's
price.
going fair prices. So we need his suggestion for.
ये free size है
ये बड़ा छोटा कर सकते हैं
Nice.
जितना बिग कर सकते हैं ये चेस्ट पर लगा सकते
ये कितना का है?
हैं ये 400 है
400 so 200.
ये बार्गेनिंग
वो बोलने
में
का है, 200.
50%
200.
I
200.
go where you can negotiate.
This is.
मेरा एक
Dude,
ग्रुप
don't
है,
hate
एक
me,
ग्रुप भी
okay?
बनाया है, एक बंदा इंडिया का प्रशांत करके
प्रशांत बन के
हाँ, वो-
अब मैं बनाएगा.
ये एक आप बना रहे हैं
पाकिस्तान का आदिल करके
एक पाकिस्तान का आदिल करके एक इंडिया का प्रसाद करके. How is it good? I like it, dude. It's 150, I think.
ये आप अच्छा क्वालिटी है
अच्छा
बहुत
क्वालिटी.
hemp है ना ये
I'm gonna tell
मेरा
you
नाम
something
वसीम
after that.
अकरम का
वसीम अकरम.
हाँ
आपका
आपका नाम?
नाम है
जी
आपका नाम वसीम अकरम है? वसीम अकरम.
फ्रॉम इंडिया
From India, वसीम अकरम.
yeah I am just checking
What?
Okay,
What?
No, he's just checking like
ये
it's
मेरा नाम
वसीम MD वसीम अकरम,
जी।
आप बंगाली?
मोहम्मद
नहीं इंडियन
अच्छा,
मतलब
हाँ, बंगाली आता है?
बिहार का बंगाली नहीं आता।
अच्छा मुझे
मैथिली आता
MD
होगा, मैथिली।
मैथिली भी नहीं आता, हम लोग नॉर्मल हिंदी जैसे बोल रहे हैं वही
ऐसे
आता है।
हिंदी वही आता है।
भोजपुरी ना आता है, वो तो और भी नहीं समझते हैं आउट ऑफ।
ये साइज कौन सा है?
ये लार्ज
लार्ज है ना? हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया है, लार्ज बढ़िया है।
क्या
लार्ज बढ़िया है, ये धुल के मीडियम हो जाएगा।
जी।
ये दिस इज व्हाट
ये ऑन किए हुए हैं अभी नहीं?
ऑन है, ऑन है, ऑन है, ऑन है, ऑन है, दिस इज ऑन, दिस इज व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग। $200, 200 rupees. He said yes right away. He said ये
नहीं तो मेरा
$200.
ये डाल दीजिएगा, विजिटिंग कार्ड डाल दीजिए विजिट करने के लिए।
Definitely. आप दिखाओ अपना विजिटिंग कार्ड में भी
मैं
देखता
देखा देता हूँ। ये मेरा डाल दीजिएगा तो बेटर होगा।
हाँ, आपसे पिक्चर लेके वो डालेंगे।
ये मेरा विजिटिंग कार्ड हो गया।
The prices are actually very reasonable.
वेरी
Very reasonable. Mountain T-shirt and bag shop in Tamil, and the phone number
ये भी
is
सेम प्राइस है।
plus 9779823131136. That's the number. But the prices are reasonable in around the market. It's the most reasonable prices that we have found until now.
We are doing wholesale actually. We
Wholesale.
are doing wholesale. Yeah, world over, all over the world, going in my product. This
My
is
goodness.
my own product.
Your own product,
Yeah.
okay. Now I'm buying this then. I'm buying the shirt. What do you want to buy, bro?
I don't know yet, but actually I want to buy like a pant.
I have a like pant.
But I said pant,
One,
but
this,
you know I want
this pant is very famous. But you do you
yeah,
like?
but this is too much for me. Like you know I want like this, you know the things like this a bit.
I have like this type of pants. Normal.
Yeah, this
Yeah,
is
but
also nice.
This is actually very
normal.
nice.
How
Yeah,
much was
this
this?
is
हम कितने का ये? How much?
650.
650 का.
Yeah, but I like this little things, you know, like color.
This is the another quality. This
Yeah.
is the different one.
This is the
No, but
This,
I mean like
this
the
is
you
about
know
from India.
I mean color, you know that's what I mean.
कोई
Like,
कलर है इसके साइड पे ऐसे कलर हो
जी।
लेकिन साइड पे ऐसे पन्नी लगी हो इस तरह की ना पन्नी लगी हो
Nah.
ऐसा नहीं है नो ब्रो दे डोंट हैव इट आई ट्राइड
yeah, but maybe he knows someone who has.
यहाँ पे पास में किसी के पास है
यहाँ सही में अच्छा किसी
अच्छा किसके पास है माल आपके आप एक आप हो
Reasonable हो।
हाँ
Needs to give the proof. Like people will
ये
read.
बगल वाला शॉप में भी ले सकते हैं, यहाँ पर भी है तो reasonable।
लेकिन आप जैसा
हाँ लेकिन
अच्छा माल।
पता है क्या करता है यहाँ पर
मतलब
जो
इसमें ये
ऐसे
सब
डबल
quality थोड़ी अच्छी
प्रॉफिट
है।
रखता है,
हाँ।
रियली बता रहे हैं जो भी है रखता है, लेकिन मेरा ऐसे क्वांटिटी जाता है ना जब प्रोडक्ट तो हम सब के लिए इंडियन पाकिस्तानी मतलब जो भी आता है रीजनेबल रेट बोलते हैं।
I love this guy already. He's an Indian Pakistani. He's not for Turkey.
बांग्लादेश तुर्की सब
Everywhere. Bangladesh, Turkey,
तुर्की सब मतलब एक
हाँ।
दूसरे से कनेक्ट है।
मतलब
All
जिसके पास
connected.
वैरायटी भी ज्यादा मिल
But Bangladesh more connected than Turkey to India.
I'm liking this. I'm gonna buy the shirt. I'm definitely gonna buy the shirt.
आप लगाइएगा नहीं देगा तो फिर माइनस थोड़ा कर बोलिएगा, लेकिन
तो ले रहा है
ये
ये?
कितने का है?
ये 400 डिस्काउंट कर देंगे, 350 तक दे देंगे।
ठीक है।
मैं एकदम रीजनेबल बोलते हैं जो भी
I'm
है
buying
ना,
this.
Okay,
एकदम
I'm
right
buying that.
बोलेंगे।
तो ये कितना हुआ 300?
नहीं इसका 400 दे देते हैं।
350 हो गया ना चलिए
चलिए ठीक है, चलिए आप जो बोल रहे हैं मैं खुश हूँ। आप-
Okay, we lessened some money, so I don't wanna go more lower. तो पर कैश है? You have enough cash? I don't have.
I have big side also available,
Just checking.
I don't have cash. Okay,
but very
350 इसका?
comfortable this one.
Very, very yes.
I love it.
और उसका बैग के अलावा मुझे दो चार और दिखा दो ना, तो फिर मैं फोटो भेज दूँ, चूज करके रखेंगे, फिर मैं फाइनल कर दूँगा।
हाँ, मेरे को भी बैग लेना, मैं जाने से पहले आपके पास आऊँगा बैग लेने के लिए, okay?
ठीक है।
Because I'm here for like few days.
Yeah, we are still here. That's why I don't want to buy right
I
now.
want to buy shirts, bro. I don't have shirts.
Yeah, you have no.
Obviously, because of you. You take everything from me, baby.
This?
कलरफुल है, लेकिन अच्छा क्वालिटी बनाया था ऑर्डर।
अच्छा मुझे ये बताओ, ये जो लिखा हुआ है इसका हेम्प का, ये मैं ट्रैवल कर रहा हूँ तो उसका कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं होगा ना?
नो प्रॉब्लम। एक्चुअली जो है से ये जो लोग है ना
हाँ।
TSC फ्री,
हाँ।
तो ये जो है से लोग पहले क्या करता था अंग्रेज लोग
हाँ।
जो मतलब बाहर के उन लोग इसको हेम समझ करके पहले
Okay.
उसको पी करके खा जाता था,
Ah.
और तो इसीलिए TSC फ्री मतलब यूज कर सकते हैं, लेकिन नहीं इसको पीना खाना ये नहीं है, ये सिस्टम हटा दिया गया।
He's like, don't wash it and drink it, okay?
अमेरिका के दलाल साले।
He's like,
Also the white one like this.
White
no, no, I
ones,
need
yeah.
black. I need
For your
black.
size?
No, I will buy tomorrow.
मेरे पास शर्ट
Okay.
नहीं है,
We are
इसके
here
पास
few
है.
days.
Okay, no problem.
I want to buy this. I'm gonna wear this tomorrow.
कितने के होंगे?
साइड बाय लेडीज के लिए है
ये जैसे हो गया,
ये
I need to come back here before I go back to America, dude. This is the place to do the shopping. I want to waste some money on this place.
But did he tell you like where we can buy bracelets? You know, these Buddhist things?
He's like, over here, the person, everybody who's telling you price, is like they're putting 3%, 3x margin. So whenever somebody tells you price, start bargaining with, like, you know, let's say if somebody says 3,000, start bargaining with 1,200. Less than half. So like, you know, you can go around half price.
Yeah.
That's what he said. It's like everybody is like,
the guy said this one is 1,500. Never. It's half price.
let's get this one and then let's get to the hostel. I need to buy a bag.
Why you wanna go to hostel?
I want to go to the bathroom, bro.
I need to walk because
I need to bathroom.
go for the bathroom. I need to walk a bit. Turkish Kamerate, he said.
पता भी लेकिन करना जरूरी है।
So I like this bag, which is with the pure leather.
देखिए
He's gonna show me.
देखिए फिर न बोलिएगा यही
Okay,
सेम लेदर है।
okay.
देखिए इसको हम अगर हम जलाएंगे तो इसको महक, ये तो खास में तो इधर नहीं जलेगा कभी भी नहीं, कितना भी जलेगा ही नहीं जला।
Okay.
आपको जो है अब इसको ये कॉर्नर मतलब आपको पूरा
Corner, okay.
इसको खाली महक देखिएगा इसका,
अरे जलता नहीं, बस
जलेगा नहीं
सड़ता है।
लेकिन देखिए इसको सुनिए,
Okay, okay, yeah.
लगा ना 100% है कि नहीं?
Yeah, this is leather. This is
मैं
leather.
गलत नहीं दूंगा।
You can smell the leather actually out of it, like, you know. Okay.
Is it this or something else?
it's the leather. ना ये आप एक रख लो। आप क्योंकि मैंने 20-25 दिन बाद वापस जाना है। मैं जाने से पहले आपसे ये लेके जाऊंगा। Okay, I know your shop name.
But this is beautiful.
Yeah, that's the thing I want to buy this. कार्ड अपना दे दो मुझे यहाँ, ताकि मैं आप आने से पहले आपको कॉल कर दूंगा।
To have so people they will come here say that they come from us to have a discount.
इंशाल्लाह।
In exchange we have our partnership to have our.
आपका YouTube पर क्या चीज?
मैं आपको लिखता हूँ, आपको देता हूँ ना YouTube चैनल।
There you go. Okay. Now we
Get
can
subscribers. You're new.
ये
So we come tomorrow again to celebrate the Indian Independence Day.
हाँ
Yeah, Pakistan Zindabad, tomorrow India Zindabad.
ना दोनों
I like what he said. He said I like. He said दोनों. He said
दोनों। आज टुडे पाकिस्तान, टुमारो हम लोग मतलब इंडिया।
एक ही बात हो गई।
एक ही बात है, एक ही है एक्चुअली।
Same but different. A deal to travel.
ओके
अब आप मेरा 335 सब्सक्राइबर हो गया, मैंने कर दिया सब्सक्राइब।
कर दिया।
आप ये ना बेल आइकन भी खोल लो, आपको पता लगेगा कब मेरी वीडियो आएगी।
ठीक है।
You like the videos? It's really nice. This guy, me, we are traveling. So thank you, bye. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू।
इसका पेमेंट
और उनका पेमेंट टोटल हो गया 350 प्लस 400 750 हो गया टोटल।
700 हो गया।
रीजनेबल
जो काटना है अपने हिसाब से काट।
अब प्यार से काट लो।
रीजनेबल लगा दिए हैं, ज़्यादा भी हम रेट वगैरह।
इंडिया में बोलते हैं आप प्यार से काट दो, हमारा ना काटो।
पहले अब तो इंडिया बहुत चेंज हो गया, बहुत अच्छा हो गया। पहले-
आपको नेपाल में कितना देर हो गया?
मैं 2017 में आया था।
2017 में आया था।
हाँ
अच्छा
जी।
अच्छा।
और
तो आपका घर भी इधर ही है?
नहीं, इंडिया में, बिहार में।
तो आप
बिहार-
सब यहाँ बिजनेस के लिए आते हैं?
सिर्फ बिजनेस। मेरा फैमिली लोग, मेरा अंकल का भी शॉप है, यही सेम।
अच्छा, यहाँ रुद्राक्ष अच्छे काम देंगे।
रुद्राक्ष अच्छा वाला वो सामने दुकान है,
ओरिजिनल वाला।
ओरिजिनल दे देगा, होलसेलर है, बहुत अच्छा रेट देगा।